Surabaya is Indonesia's second largest city and the capital of the province of East Java. It is known as the City of Heroes. Did you know IT Telkom Surabaya is already present in Surabaya? Institut Teknologi Telkom Surabaya, or we call IT Telkom Surabaya, is an international standard university based on information and communication technology to support the competitiveness of the Indonesian nation. IT Telkom Surabaya is a higher education institution under the auspice of the Telkom Education Foundation. We have vision and mission. The vision is to become an international standard university based on information and communication technology, or we call ICT, with a focus on application in the maritime, transportation, and logistics industries to support increase the competitiveness of the Indonesian nation. And the mission is first, organizing and developing international standard education in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics based on information and communication technology with a focus on application in the maritime, transportation, and logistic industries. Second, develop and disseminate internationally recognized science and technology, utilizing science and technology based on information and communication technology for the development of Indonesia, especially its application to the development of the maritime, logistic, and transportation industry. ITTS have 9 study programs. Interesting? We will explain the 9 study program. Check this out.
Information technology studies systematic approach to selecting, developing, implementing, integrating, and managing secure computing technology so that user can achieve their goals, whether personal goals, organization, or community. Information technology study program vision is to become an international standard and is capable of producing a computer science character and excellent in the field of security, cyber, information engineering, and system integration to support sustainable development in year 2023. Some of the subject featured on the program of information technology include cybersecurity, cryptography, digital forensic, digital image processing, digital signal processing, and Internet of Things. In addition, graduates can also work as software engineers, mobile app developers, web app developers, network engineers, cloud architect, database administrator, project managers, and others. So, come and join us in Information Technology Institute Teknologi Telkom Surabaya.
Industrial engineering is one of the fields of engineering science that deals with the design, repair, improvement, and installation of integral system consisting of humans, machines, material, information, and energy. This study program studies various sciences. As an example, the first is economic science, studying human behavior to acquire and manage limited resources. The second is technical science, study the implementation of new technologies in engineering sector such as manufacturing, maintenance, and management. The third is human science, discussion about the meaning of being human and making human the object of studies. And there is much more that we can learn. For example, product design, ergonomics, manufacturing process, industrial component organization and management, production planning and control, and the last, project management. And the last, our industrial engineering study program scientific vision is become an international standard industrial engineering undergraduate study program based on information and communication technology to support increasing the competitiveness of Indonesia innovation in the maritime industry. Come on and join us in Indonesia Engineering Telkom Institute of Technology Surabaya.
Software engineering is a professional field that explores the way of software development, including creation, maintenance, organizational management of software development, and quality management. The birth of the software engineering study program in the era of Industry Revolution 4.0 has an advantage because the Internet-based Industrial Revolution 4.0 is closely related to software, which is the realm of software engineering science. So it has a great opportunity to compete with informatics and computer study program. We have a scientific vision, develop a software engineering study program on intelligent system in the field of maritime affairs, transportation and logistics based on international standard information and communication technology to support increasing the competitiveness of the Indonesian nation. Some excellent courses in software engineering include artificial intelligence, animation and 3D modeling, mobile programming, web programming, and game programming. And of course, the job prospects are very, very profitable. Come join us, creating art with a code.
Information system is a combination of information technology and activities of people who use that technology to support operation and management. Vision of information system becomes an international standard study program in the field of ICT governance and development with focus on maritime, logistics and transportation. About information system, the study program products graduates who understand business process in various organizations in general, especially in logistics, transportation and maritime affairs with good practice and quality standard. Graduates are also able to develop information system that support organization performance and develop business application that can support business competition in global world. Profile of graduate from the information system study program include business and system analyst, project manager, IS auditor, ERP development, and IS engineer. Bachelor degree. After graduating and completing the information system study program, student will get a bachelor degree in computer c.com.
Hello, my name is Bintang, and now I want to explain about Digital Business Study Program in Institut Teknologi Telkom Surabaya. Digital business is very dynamic and highly competitive industry. So, the industry really needs a lot of the best talent in digital business field who can innovate and adapt to today's technology advances. Digital business graduates are different from other because in curriculum development it has been adapted to the needs digital talent in Telkom Group, known as the Telkom Digital Matrix Scheme. After graduate, college student can be financial management, operation management, human resource management, digital project management, and data-driven business analytics. Why? Because they also learn business science, management, and digital technology that young digital talents need to meet their needs. And this program is designed to procure graduates who can become executive and entrepreneur who are adaptive, tough, and ready to work. Yes. Thank you.
As the institutionals, which this institution based on technology and also of the maritime studies, we believe that we develop our technology, our teaching and learning, and our tools for students. In this digital era, Institut Teknologi Telkom Surabaya has already made a breakthrough for some developments in our campus. We also provide the new campus in several moments and also in several institutions. We have our cooperations with the corporations and other universities and some for state-owned companies. This digital era urge us, not only the lecturers and all the students, included all the staff, to understand and to apply the technology in a daily life. Therefore, these institutions, Institut Teknologi Telkom Surabaya, developed by giving our students comprehensive seminar and our lectures that we give also several development. This idea also has been doing at the moment, okay, and we believe that our campus here is going to be the solution for the nations. We hope that all of you would like to come to our campus, especially for the freshmen. We would like to welcome in our campus. Even later on, online or even offline, we still do our best for our students, especially for this country. Thank you so much, everyone. IKTS Surabaya, solution for the nation.
Hello, I want to share you about the informatics study program in IT Telkom Surabaya. So first of all, Faculty of Information Technology and Industry of IT Telkom Surabaya has a vision become excellent faculty, international standard, and have active role in developing informatics knowledge and industry engineering based on information and communication technology, which has focus on application in industry, maritime, transportation, and logistics sector to support sustainable national development. And then, informatics study program has established as a real evidence to realize faculty's vision, which the vision is developing informatics knowledge. So, an informatics study program is a study program which coordinates with computer science, which is specifically learn about smart computing, smart networking, and optimized programming. Informatics study program has a vision to become informatics study program which based on information and communication technology to support competitiveness of Indonesian people in industry, maritime, and logistics sector. The study material that will be learned is among computational intelligence, deep learning, autonomous vehicle system, computer graph, information and network security, digital image processing, algorithms and programming, Internet of Things, and software project management. Besides that, there are more curriculum structure which will be learned for the student. The study is run on 8 semesters with elective course and internship program. Our lecturers has been well chosen. They are very proficient and their scope they have capability to teach and their knowledge are very qualified. After graduating from the informatics study program, a lecturer will get bachelor degree in computer, and this informatics profile graduate to become AI engineer, IT consultant, system analyst, programmer, network engineer, and a lot of jobs which are related to knowledge. The graduate also got attitude learning, general skill, and special skills beside the knowledge. That's from the informatics study program. Thank you.
Electrical engineering is one of the fields of engineering in IT Telkom Surabaya. Learning about electricity application and electrical engineering involve concept, design, development, and production of electrical and electronic devices. To become an international standard Bachelor of Electrical Engineering program and focusing on electronic instrumentation, control system, intelligence, electronic and Internet of Things, support device with specialties in the fields of maritime, transportation, and logistics.
Okay, I will
tell you about computer engineering study. What about fields to be studied in the computer engineering? The first, we will learn about basic science and mathematics, and for two, we will learning about computer engineering bandwidth, breadth, and then computer engineering core, and then computer engineering depth. History about computer engineering study in Telkom Institute of Technology Surabaya. When as diploma computer engineering study program in IT Telkom Surabaya was split. It has a 5 institutional lecture and the last one doctoral lecture. Right now, all of the lectures have functional position and have skill certificate. In 2018, there are 10 active students, and then will grow up now.
Hello everyone, my name is Mandaranga and I'm from IT Telkom Surabaya. You can call me Mahen. I want to explain you about a study program telecommunication engineering in ITTS. And here we go. Telecommunication Engineering Study Program, Telkom Institute of Technology Surabaya is a study program that studies science and engineering in the field of telecommunication. The engineering aspects studied are technology, service, protocol, network, architecture, the process of generating and sending information signal effectively and efficiently. And in general, the curriculum of the bachelor degree Telecommunication Engineering Study Program consists of the characteristics of higher education. Basic, science and technology, the core of telecommunication engineering, the extension of telecommunication engineering, and the option of telecommunication engineering. And the Department of Telecommunication Engineering has signed the establishment of the Institute of Technology Telkom Surabaya. Based on the decree of the Minister of Research, Technology and Higher Education. After graduating and completing of telecommunication engineering study program, students will get a Bachelor of Engineering degree. And profile of graduates from the telecommunication engineering study program include professional in telecommunication engineering, researcher or advanced studies, and technocrators. Thank you very much. This is from me.
Are you interested in joining with us at Institute Teknologi Telkom Surabaya? What are you waiting for? Go check our Instagram at SMB IT Telkom Surabaya. Institute Teknologi Telkom Surabaya, solution for the nation.